Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video. Today I want to talk about solo ads and how to use that when promoting your business opportunity or network marketing company or affiliate marketing company. Doesn't matter. But basically the make money online niche. And I have three sources that I use to buy traffic from. First one that I have on my screen here is called Udimi. And on here, there are a whole bunch of Udimi solo ad providers, solo ad sellers that you can choose from to buy traffic from. And you buy per click, like this person is selling her solo ads for 37 cents per click, okay? So when you go to click on Find Sellers, this is the page you land on, and up here, these boxes here, you can change these to whatever criteria you're looking for. Like for me, I'm looking for people who have at least 100 ratings. So I have it at 100 plus. And you can also choose if people got sales from the solo ads that they bought, 10% sales, 20% sales. So I have mine set at 20% or more sales. And I have a range of how much I want to spend per click, between 35 cents and 65 cents. You can change these to whatever you want. The lowest price is 35 cents per click, and the highest price is, I think, 95 cents per click. Okay. And also, you can choose based on how many visitors to your affiliate link that you want to drive. There, I have it set at least 100. And also the turnaround time of how many hours you want it to take for all of those clicks to get to your site. At 100 to 200 clicks, I set it at 48-hour turnaround. Now, if you're doing like 500 or 1,000 clicks, I'll probably set it at 3 or 4 days. Okay, give them enough time to send those amount of clicks to your site. Okay, and then when you have all this criteria set, then you look and you just go down the line, choose some sellers here. I look for ones that have a lot of positive reviews and very little negative reviews. Now, most of them will have some negative reviews. I mean, that's just the way it is. Some people will do that. But you want to make sure that they don't have a lot of negative reviews. So you just go down the line here. This person has over 1,000 positive reviews and only 2 negative reviews. And 21% of the people who buy solos from this person has received a sale. So he's selling his clicks for 39 cents per click. So you might want to try him out. So if this is your first time using Udimi, what you want to do is choose somebody to buy clicks from. You want to do a test of maybe 100 or 200 clicks just to see how their traffic is. And you want to make sure that they have at least 90% of their traffic coming from the United States or top tier countries, English speaking countries. So that is a good thing. United States, Canada, that's fine. Okay, at least 90% coming from top tier countries. Okay, and that's pretty much it as far as Udimi is concerned. Also, I use trafficforme. Trafficforme is a little pricier, about around 77 cents per click. And again, they cater to business opportunities. If you're into crypto opportunities, make money online niche. They do have other niches here, but we're just talking about the business opportunity niche here. And here, you're buying premium email traffic. And their whole selling point is about finding fraudulent clicks, and they block them so they're not counted towards your pay-per-click. Trafficforme boasts that they're the cleanest email traffic agency guaranteed, and this is a pretty good source of traffic. So if I look at their premium, you can start off with starter traffic packages here. If you click on that, it'll take you to how much it costs. 200 premium unique clicks, $154, which is 77 cents per click. Or if you want all top 5 top tier traffic, 200 clicks is $174.87 per click. Okay, you can do it one time, and it usually starts within 24 to 48 hours. Or you can choose when it starts, or you can set it up where it's done monthly, every 2 weeks, or weekly. And as it says here, the more often you get clicks, the more free traffic they send. And as you can see, 10% more clicks if you do it every month, 15% more clicks if you do it every 2 weeks, and 20% more clicks if you do it every week. Okay, so, and you could choose to have it 100% USA email traffic. And they'll have the pricing on here for that. Let me click on one. 500. Let's see, what is this? 500 100% USA premium email traffic is $445. That's 89 cents per click. And yeah, so you'll see all the pricings for that. Okay, and what else do they have? Super premium email traffic. This is their #1 top converting list for Make Money Online, BizOp, and CryptoOp. They have the highest opt-in rates, most sales conversions, and tons of reorders. 25,000 clicks weekly available, first come, first serve. And looking at the pricing on this, let's see. 500 clicks, $395.79 per click. And of course, the more clicks you buy, the less per click you're going to pay. Okay? So this is another good traffic source where they get rid of all those fraudulent clicks, they block them, and they clean their email traffic, and you don't have to worry about having bots on your clicking onto your links and everything like that. The third source of traffic I use is called mlmleads, and mlmleads isn't a solo ad. You're not buying solo ads. They do media buys where they, place an ad in like big, huge websites that get a lot of traffic, and people who are interested in a business opportunity, they might see the ad, which is a generic, work from home business opportunity ad. When a person clicks on it, they'll see your link to your lead capture page, and then if they're interested, they put in their email address and they end up on your email list, and they also go to your offer. Okay, and it's done on a rotating basis, so they're rotating everyone's lead capture pages through this ad. Okay, so when one person clicks on an ad, they'll see your link to your lead capture page. Another person clicks on the ad, they'll see another person's lead capture page. Okay, but you can't really create a free account in this. You have to purchase traffic in order to create an account. But once you create an account, what you really want to do is you go to products, and then here where it says My Autopilot Web Traffic National, you want to click on that. That's the traffic that you want. You click on that. Just a moment, scroll down, and here is where you will see the clicks that are available and the pricing. This is probably the most expensive of the 3 traffic sources. Like this, you can do, you can buy 40 clicks for $47, so that comes out to about $1.17 per click. And of course, the more clicks you buy, the lower the cost per click. Okay, 115 clicks, $113. 280 clicks, $277. And the reason that the pay-per-click is higher than with Udimi and trafficforme is because this is more higher quality traffic coming from, not from someone's email list, but coming from large websites where people click on the ad because they're interested in a home business, making money from home, business opportunity. Okay, so again, you can start with this for less than $50. 40 clicks, $47. You can do that once a week. Okay, now I want to talk about the solo ad budget. If you're on a strict budget, you don't have that much money for solo ads, you can start off with $50 a week. And in order to get the most bang for your buck, start off with Udimi solo ads, because your $50 will go a longer way with Udimi ads than with MLM leads. Like I said, you only get 40 clicks for $47, whereas for $50 you can get over 100 clicks. Okay, so start off with $50 a week, Udimi solo ads every week, and then as you start making commissions, you can take a portion of your commissions and scale up your traffic. So instead of doing $50 a week, now you're up to $100 a week, $150 a week, whatever. And then as you start making more and more commissions, then you can add in traffic and MLM leads. Okay, so don't try to do all three if you have a tight budget. Start off with Udimi and do that $50 a week every week. Once you start making commissions, use a portion of those commissions to buy traffic. Okay, and then you can scale up to like $100 a week and scale up some more, and then add in traffic for me and MLM leads once you're making consistent commissions. Now, the purpose of a solo ad, it's not about getting sales instantly. Okay, a lot of people buy solo ads. Like, for instance, they'll buy a solo ad of 200 clicks. They buy it, they get the clicks, they get maybe a 30-35% opt-in rate, which is pretty good, but they didn't make a sale. And so they think that the solo ad didn't work. You know, it's not a good traffic source. And then you have people talking about solo ads are dead because people aren't making sales from the solo ad run right away. But that's not how solo ads work. Solo ads, the main purpose of a solo ad is to build your email list with leads, with people interested in making money online and business opportunities. Okay, that's the purpose of your solo ad, to build your email list. Once they end up on your email list, then you can follow up with them, talking about your offer, talking about the results you're making in your business, talking about results other people are making in the business, giving them business tips and strategies, having them connect with you on Facebook. If you have a YouTube channel, giving them a link to your YouTube video in the email. But you follow up with these leads every single day consistently, okay? Because it's going to take these people at least 6 times or more to see your offer before they make a decision of whether they're going to join you in your business or not. Okay, that's how it usually goes. Now, sometimes you might get a sale right away from a solo ad, but that's not the norm. You know, over 97% of the people who, click on your link and submit their email address and then they get taken to your offer, over 97% of those people are not going to buy that first time. They're not going to join you in your business that first time. That's why you build the email list, so you can follow up with them every single day consistently, so they get to know, like, and trust you. Okay? In this industry, it's all about know, like, and trust. The more they know you, the more they get to like you, and the more they trust you enough that they will join you in your business. Know, like, and trust factor. Just remember that saying, know, like, and trust factor. And the only way you can do that when you're doing solo ads is through your email list, okay? Invite them to connect with you on Facebook, friend you on Facebook, ask them if they have any questions, to email you, or if you have no problem getting on the phone, give them your phone number so they can call you and ask you questions about your business. Again, if you have a YouTube channel, send them a link to your YouTube video where your YouTube channel is basically about how to make money online. Okay? So put a picture of yourself in your emails so they get to know what you look like. So all those things is what gets you the sale. Not the solo. The solo ad's purpose is to build the email list. And that's what a lot of people get wrong. They think they're supposed to be making sales from the solo ads. that it doesn't happen like that most of the time. So people are saying that solo ads are dead because they're not making sales right away. They don't know what they're talking about. You have to build your email list and then follow up with those people every single day until they unsubscribe or they finally do join you in your business. Okay, so that's basically all I want to talk about. One more thing, I'll have the links to all 3 traffic sources right below this video in the description area. If you click on my link for Udimi and you create an account with Udimi, you will receive a $5 discount automatically. And you can use that $5 discount when you buy traffic for the first time, okay? So it can be applied to your first traffic order. So go ahead and check out the links below. And again, the Udimi link in the description below, you click on that, create your free account, you will receive an automatic $5 discount, and then you can use that discount on your first traffic order. Okay? And if you want to know about my #1 recommended business opportunity that I'm doing, that will also be in the description area. Again, this is Michelle Roebuck. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.